Assalamu alaikum kids, and a very warm welcome in our today's video. So in this video we are going to discuss the topic radioactivity, which is related to the next discovery of a subatomic particle and also related to the experiment that we are going to discuss regarding the atomic structure. These topics are given on page number 46 and 47 of your book for your reading. So at the end of this video you will be able to define radioactivity and radioactive substances, discuss nature of radioactive rays. So the first conclusive evidence that the atoms are complex rather than indivisible as stated in the atomic theory came with the discovery of radioactivity by Henri Becquerel, a French physicist in 1896 AD. So by definition, radioactivity is the spontaneous disintegration of nucleus of an atom in which invisible radiations are emitted from the nucleus of an atom. Radiations mean they give off some energy, mostly in the form of light, and the substances which emit such kind of radiations are known as radioactive elements. And then in 1902 AD, a British physicist, Ernest Lord Rutherford, determined the nature of radioactive rays by the following experiment that showed that the radioactivity is composed of three types of rays which gives off as radiation from a radioactive element. A sample of radioactive substance was placed in the lead box between the two oppositely charged plates, that is within the electric field. The radiations were resolved into three components. One component was deflected towards the negative plate, proving that it carried a positive charge, as opposite charges attract each other. These were named as alpha rays. The second component was deflected towards the positive plate, proving that it carried negative charge. These were named as beta rays. The third type carried no charge, no mass, and were not deflected in the electric field. They were named as gamma rays. So this is how the radioactive rays and their properties were studied by Ernest Lord Rutherford in 1902 AD. So to summarize, in 1896 AD, the first conclusive evidence that atoms are complex rather than indivisible as stated in the atomic theory came with the discovery of radioactivity by a French physicist, Henri Becquerel. And in 1902 AD, a British physicist, Ernest Lord Rutherford, studied the radioactive rays and determined their characteristics using experimental explanation. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much. See you in the next video inshallah. Allah Hafiz.